a collection of artwork that holds an abundance of history. The Tusiata Talaleva Vau art exhibition pays homage to pioneering Samoan artist Yosua Toafa and his work in the iconic 1976 book Talaleva Vau, Myths and Legends of Samoa. The exhibition was masterminded by Toafa's niece and artist Linda Va'ailua.
In our Toafa family, we can see a lot of our kids are just naturally talented at art. He's always been influential with us. He was the first one to study art, and I was always proud as a young kid to say my uncle was an artist. He's not just an artist, he's a teacher, and he's a very passionate teacher. So there's probably generations of students that he's influenced in a huge way. His impact is pretty wide, not just his personal career, but I would say even more so as a teacher.
With the exhibition also came the launch of the Tusiata Talaleva Vau book, showcasing Toafa's work over the years.
The purpose of that is to be an education piece and to also record our histories. There's not a lot of written history in the Pacific, and in Samoa we don't have a lot of resources. So to have something specifically about art history, about a particular artist, I think it's huge, and I hope that it'll just be the beginning of other people getting recognition, and writing our own stories.
Also showcasing their work were 7 other Samoan artists who had been influenced through Toafa's work in their own artistic journey.
I first came across his work when I was in primary, and my grandpa had a copy of his book on his desk, and I just remember opening it and wondering why isn't these illustrations coloured in? To me it was a colouring in book. So that's the first memory I have.
The book that we had was bought from the Methodist bookshop in Apia, and it was dated 1981. I was 6 years old then, so the imagery has been a part of my life ever since.
To be part of this project with so many other artists, from different stages in their practice, it proves, I guess, the legacy of what he's done and the power of how his work has inspired us to be who we are as artists.
As Toafa's work touched the lives of these artists, it has also had an effect in the family through his niece Linda and her daughter Te Wila.
I grew up seeing all of these pieces around my grandparents' house and at my own home as well. But being able to exhibit in the same show, in the same space as him is surreal. And I definitely didn't think that I'd be given an opportunity like this.
The show runs through till July at the Mangere Arts Centre, and it's hoped that Toafa's work will continue to inspire future generations.
In our Pacific communities, it was still really pushed to do certain careers, and visual arts or arts was really not something that maybe our parents' generation could see as a viable career. But I think it's important to do something you're passionate about and you're talented in, and I think with our Pacific people we just naturally are gifted in visual arts or performing arts,